Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yenga yedimu sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yenga yedimu
Ashoma ye try ho kakra is fine aba ye be telephone lines no e dey action as story say dey buy no bit me edo I go to e dey about because our time is perfect to make but I think say na ye share if ya the video also contract I don't know to say said on work say be na work say onu we 5,000 now should be yeah unfortunate offer when you contract
so Diane, kakra American say, in Ghana here, the law go against those who don't have links.
Really?
That's the only thing I can say. It's go against those who don't have links.
If you have legs, you won't go against
It won't go against you because at least you have you get a big man to call and tell them that he is my child or my nephew for them to stop. You see that thing? It's not good at all in Ghana here. Look at how many times the Schwarzenegger has come out and say some filthy words here. Anka, she deserved to be arrested. But always he just enjoy her life. He live normal. But the same word, let me use, you will see. Yes.
And that's why you're trying to say that she has legs.
And that's how it is. A nigger can come out and insult even what do you call this man? The education minister. She still stay there doing a thing that will favor her. You see that thing? He can come out and insult President Mahama. Then she just roaming about. And now the damn Kufuado, she just roaming about. Why? If you have a law in Ghana here, why? The law allow the lady to roam about. It's not nice. So what I can say is Ghana here, if you have links, you are free. But if you don't have links, as I sit here now, forget. Anyway, little thing, you go to jail. Yeah, that's the reason why Wyoming is still there.
Because Wyoming has legs.
Yes.
That's why all that she has done.
Yes.
Still living
yes.
life.
Yes. Have you ever heard that Japan, Honorable Canadian Japan, has been arrested before? He has been jailed before. They just invite Honorable Canadian Japan for him to come and explain his side, and he just go home. But if it was me, they will not invite me. They will come and arrest me. So if I'm talking about Linsa, and I am. It's not good at all. The Ghana law, somehow, it's not good.
The law doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
Is not working.
It works. The law works for some people. If you don't have links,
it doesn't work for some people.
Yes.
Well.
If only you have links, the law, you can even go against the law. You can insult the law. You can pay for the law to decide for you or fight for you. You see, and if you don't have any links in Ghana here, when the law catch you, they will let you know that we have law in Ghana here. That's what I'm trying to mean. I'm trying to tell Ghanaians. So if you don't have links, just be aside. Think about yourself. Don't commit. Even if you are an armed robber in Ghana here and you have links, you can rob and go far. Because they tell they will catch you, you get a big man. You call the commander and tell the commander that he be my boy. The job. That's how Ghana is.
Well done.
He didn't go here for. You're inviting him. You're arresting him.
Very bad. What? It's your turn now.
We need to meet here. That the Lumba. What we need to meet him. Nameless one, no idea.
Speak English.
Kumchacha is wrong.
Kumchacha is wrong.
It's very wrong. A first Schwarzenegger is a joke.
It's a joke?
Yeah.
So she's joking?
She's joking.
Or she was joking?
You're joking. Yeah, this place, to me, we jam there. Police banner is go there. My, it's one of the kind of prophecy. Yes, it's Manua. You go buy for handcuff. Go home. Go police. Yeah, the
handcuff.
The handcuff.
Handcuff your hand.
Yeah, handcuff
and take it.
Yes, take it to police. Now you are telling me joke for your mouth, no? You are talking kekedia. No police. You are very joke.
So you think if I was joking?
I'm not buying that idea. that we don't come and meet a fear smoking, so it means we can't even arrest a fear. It's wrong. We all know that at a mess, he died long time ago. So if I come out now and I said I killed Akamesa, they won't come and arrest me. They won't. They will come and do. So the same applies to that.
Because the fact that you open your mouth to say,
you are the one. So you are the one. I didn't post.
go ahead. Go ahead. No. Go ahead.
Ewurade Nyankopɔn. Kumjaja. Ewurade. Yeah, Kumjaja, you are very agronodi. You say, Mami Ketri wate. I am Mami Ketri pam chin film. Dayan, you was same you hon mo. You was more. Yeah, come on. I think what's the guy said. I think I said, "Can one castle?" It do baby and who? To me, dear. But when dear, is a you are going to one fafa. Yeah, no fafa.
It's just
yeah. You are mouth. You are talking mouth.
Okay.
Huh? I don't know who cause it. You are watching. You are very now. Watch it. Are you are you mad? Yeah, you are mad.
Why?
What Kumchacha Okoka say? Sofubia, and the and tell so. And na de bia no wanted there. Who can public? Yeah, you understand? Yeah. I don't
Go against Ghana law.
It doesn't go against Ghana.
I don't Sofubia.
Yes, that one there doesn't go against Ghana. You understand? Because
okay.
I'm part of that movement.
yes, they have to arrest
Mistake. No mistake. I just said no mistake. Diane, I'm on fantasy. Now me
it is English.
I would have done. Diane, you was sending one or more. That you are funny. You are very, very funny. I just said go bien, no. I'm a similar kind. No smoking. No smoking. Huh? You are. I think as guy you are feeling big for yourself. Yeah. Now you are talking for every day. You are talking kaka. How you are going to your police? Huh? Somebody you are very.
No, what?
Yeah, we don't accept killing.
Yeah. Oh, killing the crowd. I don't understand myself.
The fact that she come out to say she smoked weed.
Oh.
5,000 for a week.
Watching.
It needs to be, you know.
Watching. Yeah, what do you want to want? You don't proper cabia. You go to police. You go to police. And then you go to police.
It is against Ghana law.
I am me myself, and I'm so I know you know. And my ring about 20.
It's not legalized.
You will not do one more.
It's not legalized. I think the law
No illegal. I go to your very, your personal, emotional, your life.
It is her personal.
Your personal, your life, you are talking keke. Yeah, you was saying one more. Every day you are joke. Huh? Oh, then I'm not 20. What is the problem for police? Yes, and then we 20. You are very normal. And you are talking, you are very, very talking.
It's not normal.
Oh, Dabi, I couldn't touch already. You are mistake. You are very, very mistake. One account. And the devil you want to boy, you don't come. Police that you want to go, you don't come. A mistake. Yeah, no, I feel so speak. Yeah, low 20, we 20. You are very mistake. You are wrong. I couldn't touch you are wrong. You are wrong. Couldn't touch you go there.
So my telephone line now.
Wrong.
So I then I have to end the show because time is up. So let me go on WhatsApp. I think I will follow on the line. But this is good morning to you all. I greet my wife Bernice and my one and only spiritual father, Reverend Jacob Esau from Kumasi Aloga. from KC from Arab. I'm watching you live. Diane, it's not only fair. It's not only fire service, so police service also do the same. They also do the same thing. When you call them and say robbers attack you, first thing they will ask is, are they holding guns? And you say AK-47. The moment you say AK-47, they will not bother to come. It's just a one issue AK-47. Good morning, I'm Sewa Insight on us. Hey, Miss Diane. Nowadays, dear, you have stopped reading my messages. Anyway, if this get please Bishop and please greet Bishop and Ojam for me. As for fire service for J, Ojam, give it to them. All right. Let me come here as well and he said, there were messages be Ewahana, me and so in free or amount. I think Kumchata is making sense. But next time, add your name to your message because it's anonymous. This one says, all right.
I go to my name. I go to back over to my this one, yeah. You have to go to accept each other. When you're more, it will be okay.
Bra, yeah, go.
Me chem say boa.
All right.
Ma chem kwaku bofo.
All right.
Ma chia omo hwe nya. Omo modi na ya na nye ye ne. The light asma ya bia ye kan o man mu tran na. Ye kan. Omo na this have good number. Yes ro mu so mo tran ho. Omo so limfi ho.
All right. This one my better mo nyina sister mo share. This ever set up the master do for na boy that sister and Dr. Amagana, I mean, in Shroud, Papa. J Fashion, so from my son, thank you for my outfit today. I love my skirt, yes. Which knows a director, one, so and I'm trying to make a mama. Some darkness, the executive producer together with Queen AJ National Law.
Da bia me ka se ye wo ahaban ene ye wo ahaban ye nyina ye nim se ye fere bibi enhaban mfaso be na wo so ye nim so mfaso ndi ye mu bebre dogu ye mu bebre bo na duro se wo hye ase ahaban gyan fiche wo nim ne ye de ye batwe ne se didua na ba fa ahaban no esa yare ye ka sa ahaban yankomo kakra be na betumadi afa ahaban
se ka ahaban bi anim ahaban ena ahaban bi aso dwuma aye den eye ebi wo ha ye di but ye sa de ye ade foforo. What I say, Habaya,